All right, so let's practice some salsa shines today. Got my friend from the UK, Ewan. Do side basic. Front and back. And just a reminder, as the energy in the music is nice and relaxed, nice and slow, you don't really want to do anything crazy. Just warm up. Let's do a back basic. Front and back. Let's do Suzy Q. Here we go. And keep going until I say stop. Front and back basic. So there you go, the energy in the music's changing. Let's do side basic cross. And if you want, you can add a drop on the cross. Front and back basic. Let's do a right turn. Left turn. Suzy Q. And keep going. And if you like the rhythm of the music and you want to make it more bouncy or add your own flavor to it, you can do that. Ewan's doing some shimmies. And last one, front and back basic. Let's do some chord beat walks, walking forward and crossing. Sorry, here we go again. Chord beat walks, walking forward and crossing. 1, 3, 5, 7. One more time, here we go. 1, 3, 5, 7. Now we can do the same thing, but we're just gonna face the side as we do it. Here we go. 2, 3, 5, 6, go. 1, 3, 5, 7. And as you saw Ewan do, you can add a shimmy. So let's do that. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 3, 5, 7. Let's do a right turn. Left turn. Suzy. Last one. Front and back basic. Now we're going to do a step called the 3-3. Hold on. Here we go. Last one. So when you do the 3-3, you can have a little cross at the end, or you can add another flare. So let's do it with the cross again. Here we go. So that's the cross at the end. Last one. Now let's do it one more time, adding a flare at the end. Here we go. Flare. Flare. Last one. Right turn. Left turn. Suzy Q. Last one. Side basic with a cross. There we go. That was song 1. Let's do one more. Okay. Here we go with Orquesta Guayacán from Colombia. little bit faster. Side basic. Back basic.
Tomaré tu mano dulcemente y hablaré de amor.
Let's do a front basic. Just to the front.
Cosas del ayer, nos decimos nada, porque ahora ha llegado la mirada.
And front and back basic.
Tómame la mano suavemente.
Let's do a right turn and then a left turn.
Mientras bailas, besos y caricias, solo espero.
Suzy Q.
Tu respiración. Toma mi mano suave y
One more.
dulcemente.
Front and back basic.
Hazme sentir que nuestro amor existe.
Again, listening to the energy in the music.
En la realidad.
Let's do side basic. Here we go.
Y que estás de mí realmente enamorada.
Let's add a cross.
Ay, 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 amor. Porque ahora las palabras no nos dicen nada. Ay,
Front and back basic.
porque ahora solo hablan las miradas.
Let's do Suzy Q.
Ay, amor. Porque ahora las palabras nos dejarán.
One more. And then right into a right turn.
Ahora nos encienden las miradas.
Sorry, that was a bit quick. Let's do right turn, left turn, Suzy Q. Now Suzy Q right away. Suzy Q. One more. Front and back basic. Now we're gonna do step touch. Here we go. And forward. Let's do it one time. Here we go again. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, tap. 1, 2.
Ay, 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 amor. Ya no me digas
It's all good.
nada.
One more. Here we go.
Ven, demuéstrame
Tap,
que estás
tap.
de mí realmente enamorada.
1, 2, 3.
Hazme sentir que nuestro
We're gonna try a
amor
hook step. Here we go.
que en realidad
Cross.
lo entregas
1,
todo,
3,
como
5,
siempre
6,
lo
7.
hiciste.
1, 2, 3, 6, 7. 1, 2. Last one.
Seguro.
Suzy Q. Here we go. And depending on the music, you can decorate your Suzy. So if you want to shimmy, or if you want to drop, depending what the music's doing, you can do that. Last one. Front and back. Right turn, Suzy Q. Last one. Front and back basic. Side basic. Side basic with cross. Front and back basic.
Tómame de la mano dulcemente.
What am I missing?
Hasta el patio a mí, yo quiero hablarte de amor.
Ah, yes. Okay, let's do those chord beat walks again, just crossing one foot in front and walking forward. Here we go. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Walk, 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 walk. And that's it. One more time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, go. Walk, 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 walk. Let's do it again, but facing sideways. Wait for it. Ah, song's over. Nice work.